What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are doing some more to the Camaro today, off camera. You can see that little tip right there. There's been an exhaust put on this car. I did put flowmasters on it. It's a 2.5-inch exhaust from summitracing.com. And this episode of this build series will be the rear end. New axles going in it, a POSI unit with 373 gears in it. And I'll start it up and let you guys hear it. We'll do a comparison of what it sounded before and what it sounds now. Alright guys, so I got everything loaded up in the Camaro. The disc cover, the new disc cover, this is perfect launch on it. Oh, those I don't need anymore. My new C-clip eliminators, the axles and everything. I think you can see that there's no back seat in there, but the ring and pinion and everything else to do the rear end installs in it. We're gonna take it over to my friend Jamie's house, and yeah, and it should be a simple process for doing everything to the rear end, make sure everything's brand new. See if we can get over how solid this car is. Like, usually these quarter panels are rotted out. These are usually rotted out. This is actually pretty gosh darn solid. And so after we do the rear end, I'm gonna do weather seals and everything. The rim window's coming out because it leaks just a little bit. That side, I've been saying I've been needing to do that to that passenger side window out and everything. This has been replaced. New hood on it. So let me get the car fired up and head it out towards Jamie's house. So I'm gonna pick you guys up when I get home, and we're gonna go over what can be fixed more on the car and the steering system.
That no good. You said it's chocolate milk, Pedro? Yeah, it does. It's on its way out. Hey, there's a lot of side-to-side play. Ooh. That's all. Yes.
It's going on your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I don't want to film anything else that's in the shop, though.
Nick and Pedro. Welcome to the Nick and Pedro show.
Actually, no, I changed the name of the channel.
Yeah.
To F-Body Addicts. That's not that bad in here, actually. Except there's water in it somehow.
Alright guys, so this is the first drive without the 308 open POSI in it. And this is with the new 373 POSI unit that Jamie finished putting in because I was just busy at work. And I know it's going to run higher at 55. Don't know how high. So we're about to find that out right now. Nice day outside actually. See right there, I just put tires on accident. RPM right now, which isn't bad. I've had 411s in the car before, and that was screaming at 55 behind the mid block in a tempo
any second hand, honestly. They're not meant to hold the car up. You gotta change shackles for that. Or get mono lease for you. So when I get to where I'm heading to, oh, this is that one vibration. It's been doing stuff with the new exhaust in. I'm going to show you guys the new diff cover and everything. So I'm going to catch you guys then. Alright guys, so here's the differential cover I went with. It's a Proform Perfect Launch cover. It has the bearing supports, the drain plug, the fill plug right there. And what I recommend doing is when you put these bolts in, they have been known for the bolts that come with this kit not being the right length going into the housing. It'd be too short. And everything. So we put the new axles in, the new studs for the lug nuts, the new axle bearings. This axle bearing is actually ate up on the old setup and everything. So it's actually done. I like this setup. I couldn't put my C-clip eliminators off because you had to cut this axle tube, and he didn't want to do that because he wanted me to still be able to have some fun with it when it's real nice out. I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to cause any problems with this and anything. And later today, I'm going to take the cap and rotor off and see what's going on there because it's actually jumping around. We'll check some grounds. So I'll catch you guys when I start. You guys can see, here's the old rotor. I don't understand why this is on that. It might have been arcing a little bit. This one's this brand new one. It doesn't look that bad. Seriously, so let me throw this on the car, see the new cap on the car, see what the car does next. Alright, well guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. There's some plans for this motor that's in here right now. It's not staying here. We're gonna put a different motor in it. All the drivetrain's brand new. We got the transmission, the rear end's rebuilt, U-joints are brand new, all of the rear suspension's done, and the front suspension has the control arms like you guys are seeing. The front end's been dropped and everything. They give that mean looking stance. What's left to do on the car is interior bodywork and paint. And get a new hood and a few odds and ends. Like of course that bottom grill right there. I'm gonna get a new urethane bumper for it and everything. But wait till next video guys. We'll be pulling the motor out of it. Dropping a built 400, a big block maybe. I'm not doing an LS swap. Those are overdone. I like my old school stuff. Or if I might put a stroker. I've never had a stroker motor before. I might put a stroker motor on this. But until then, I'll catch you guys later.